This 4000 series receiver from Sonyon has a diphonic valve attached to it for purposes of inflation of the Ambrose diphonic ear lens in a receiver and canal hearing aid such as this Phonak ADEL hearing aid. There is the receiver or transducer, the speaker, and the 4400 replaces that, and when it has the diphonic valve affixed to it, then as a consequence of the normal operation of the hearing aid, inflation pressures are harvested. Here's an example of a 4400 which has two diphonic valves, one on each side, and I've hooked it up, and right now, from speaking into this hearing aid here, which is driving this receiver, we are inflating this balloon to, right now we're at 40 pascals. These are the millivolts being generated by the hearing aid into the transducer, and if I whistle, you can see it climbs to 166 pascals. Okay, this is an iPhone with a tone generator. Put it next to the hearing aid, turn on the tone, as I open up the valve to the balloon, I can stick the bubble in my ear. Now we've been inflating the bubble and quite a bit of tubing here. And you can see the manometer overload as I insert the bubble. Now I have a seal, and the manometer is on overload from it being about 2 or 3 kilopascals. I'll disconnect it. Now the bubble's deflated. I don't have a seal. I stick the tubing back together, and now I'll okay, now I have a seal, and it's sealed at about 200 pascals. Now you can see it start to inflate. I like twirling it because you can really see just how much progress it makes. You can see it growing, okay?
Yes.
Given that this bubble does not contain a receiver or any measures to reduce its volume, so we're pumping much greater volume than we need. I'll put it in my ear. Okay, now I'm connecting the hose inside. You can see the manometer start to climb. Okay, now I'm sealed. Okay.
Okay, great. That happened in about 5 seconds.
Yeah, and that bubble probably had about half its volume still inside of it, of air. At 600 millivolts, I just open the valve up. Okay, it's inflating. You can see the manometer climb. Okay, it's already sealed in my ear. Okay.
Okay.
And then if I turn up the amplitude, it's really, I'd say it's gone to 2 kilopascals now. Okay. This was assembled by Garnett a week ago and has maintained this pressure for a week. I'll deflate it now.